Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today we are going to be doing a Taylor Swift nail art inspired by her Reputation album cover. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of pink rubber base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of pink builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, making sure it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply 2 thin coats of Spilt Milk, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. Using Starry Night and your thin nail art brush, paint a curved line starting from your cuticle to the center of your tip and repeat on the other side. Fill in your French tip and tidy any areas that are needed. Cure for 30 seconds. Wipe your nail with nail polish remover. Using your Gelous nail art tweezers, carefully peel off your chosen sticker. If your nail art sticker is too big, cut it to the desired size. Apply your sticker into position, making sure you are happy with the placement as you won't be able to remove it once applied. Using your silicone tool, gently rub into place. If you have an overhang from your nail art sticker, cut off the excess. Repeat steps for any extra stickers you would like to add. Apply a thin coat of rubber top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize.